to fix you need official WhatsApp to login problem. So if you're facing a problem with you need official WhatsApp to login problem on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now make sure that you don't have a clone app of WhatsApp. Make sure that you have the official app. So if you have any clone apps, then here I have two WhatsApp, right? So if you have the clone, then here on the bottom left side of that icon you will have clone option. You just need to simply tap on that, and then you need to uninstall the clone. Tap on uninstall, and you need to choose the official WhatsApp. But even if you are using the official WhatsApp and if it says it's not the official app, then what you need to do is you just need to open up your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, and then go for see all apps, and scroll down again, and here you need to go all the way down and tap on WhatsApp. Once you tap on WhatsApp, now you need to go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, you need to go for clear storage and clear all of your storage. And once you've done that, you need to go back, and here you can simply tap on uninstall, and from here you can uninstall the application. And once you uninstall the application, you just need to again go with your Play Store or your App Store and again install the official WhatsApp application. Once you installed, you can go back to the login page, or it will take you to the login page, and you need to log into your account and your problem will be fixed. But you can also restart your device if it doesn't fix. Then simply press and hold on to your power button and tap on restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. So thanks for watching.